Yeah, a couple of years back, the Satanic Church, Satan Church, opened up shop here in Detroit, and everywhere you go in Detroit, you see where the brothers used to be at. Most of them left the city, and the Caucasians are moving right next door, moving all in like they down in Black Bottom. Black Bottom has become White Bottom, you know, where Master Farad first came. Now, why did Master Farad come to Detroit? Because he was looking for Elijah, and number one or number two, Detroiters, he knew that's the black man from all over was flocking here because of the auto industry, and he knew that we were some hard-headed, stiff-necked. So he wanted to plant a seed, and by now, the seed supposed to have blossomed where the black man in Detroit has blossomed into a beautiful, lovely flower, a field of flowers. But instead, it's having the opposite effect. So Satan came here, planted his flag here, and he know what's happening, you know. So this is the battleground, the spiritual battleground. Chicago is like Medina, and Detroit is like Mecca. Just like the Prophet Muhammad lost the battle in Mecca, then he went to Medina, got his thing together, and came back, and without firing a shot, or without any fighting, made the enemy surrender. So I want to remind all the Muslims that that's what's happening. But Mr. Farrakhan is in Chicago. Chicago is being self-destructive, and y'all forgot about home base. Because y'all forgot about what it means to be at one with the universe, because you're chasing that dollar. So my job is to point out the effectiveness of Malcolm and Farrakhan and all the brothers, Class X, because no one has ever put all the pieces of the puzzle together. They got brothers against each other. They got the God, they got the nation of gods and earth against the nation of Islam, and so forth. You know, the Moors, all them against each other. But I'm going to attempt to unify us. But first I got to explain, you know, what the church of what's happening now is, and who God is, really is. So we're going to close these out and look for the next session of Church of What's Happening Now. Black Light out.